EGR cooler plug, aluminum joint, blocking plate, gasket, pipe, mounting bracket, other accessories. EGR cooler plug, lower coolant temperature and prevent cooler leakage. Aluminum joint, resistant to high temperature and pressure, prevent exhaust gas leakage, and ensure system stability. Plug plate and gasket, block exhaust gas flow to prevent pollution and leakage. Pipes and connectors, simplify the air flow path, ensure smooth flow, and improve combustion efficiency. Restore engine power and fuel efficiency and prevent exhaust gas backflow. Improve engine cleanliness and reduce the risk of diesel particulate filter DPF failure. Fuel economy can be improved by up to 20% while extending engine life. Reduce engine temperature, prevent carbon deposits from clogging in EGR valves and coolers. Reduce exhaust gas recirculation EGR. Reduce engine coolant temperature and improve overall performance. Save repair costs. Avoid expensive repairs caused by EGR system failure or damage. Eliminate frequent maintenance issues caused by carbon deposits and clogging. Improve functional performance. Prevent carbon deposits and hot exhaust gas backflow. Ensure engine runs cooler and more efficiently, reducing component stress.